Welcome to how to allow clients to see tasks associated with incidents and service requests in Remedyforce Self-Service 3.0. To make the task visible in self-service requires several configurations. One, enable show task in self-service settings needs to be enabled. And then on the task template associated with the record, the enable display task in self-service for the template needs to be enabled. What we're talking about is making the task visible on the ticket or service request form in self-service. It shows up at the bottom of the form and can be expanded or collapsed by clicking the arrow. So let's look at how to do that. Go to Remedyforce Administration, Configure Self-Service, General Self-Service Settings, and then enable the Show Link Tasks with Submitted Records, and then click Save. Then for the templates, we want to select the task template that we'll be using to create the record or the incident template to which the task is associated. In this case, I have a task template configured, allocate CPU to server, and we'll be using that same template on the request definition. The request definition, I've selected the SRD test, and that allocate CPU server template is enabled. For the request definition, we'll be using a request definition with the allocate CPU to server task template associated with it. Let's go back to templates and enable the visible in self-service. So open up the template. From templates, find your template, allocate CPU to server, and we want to select display in self-service. From the drop down, set it to true and click update, and then save the template. Now any records created with that template when viewed in self-service will have the task option visible at the bottom of the form. So let's go to self-service and create a service request using that template. Request to service, and we'll just fill in the fields. And let's go look at this service request, 11628. View my activity. And since it's a service request, we want to change it to service request. And when we open it, you'll see the tasks are available. So this concludes how to allow clients to see tasks associated with incidents and service requests of Remedyforce Self-Service 3.0.